Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel DK Jobbers. We have an update from TGH Software Solutions Private Limited. They are hiring for integration developer. It is a freshers hiring, like a 0 to 3 months experience people can apply for this opportunity. And the locations they mentioned Hyderabad and Noida, guys. They mentioned qualification required BTech or BE, MTech, MCA. Batches 2021 to 2025 are eligible. Skills, if you have strong programming fundamentals in Java or Python, etc., you can apply for this opportunity. Application link also they have provided here. And the main thing, only shortlisted candidates will receive an official invite with venue and timings, guys. And the main note, if you have applied previously and if you have attended previously, don't apply for this opportunity. Only freshers candidates are eligible for this opportunity, guys. So if you click on this application link, then it will be navigated to the form where we need to provide details, your name, contact number, email ID, graduation passed out year, technical expertise in a Java or a Python, SQL, Power BI, preferred location Noida or Hyderabad you have to mention here, and select date you are available for the interview, like the 3rd or 4th or 8th, whatever it may be, you need to mention. And if you have attended interview within last 3 months, that also you need to provide here. If you have attended previously, like within the last 3 months, you can you are not eligible for this opportunity. And if you are a fresher candidate, you can quickly apply for this opportunity and submit. Don't miss it.